Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to file DoorDash taxes on TurboTax. Alright, let's begin. First, you will be required to open up your account on DoorDash, and you would also need the 1099 form from your employer. By using that particular form, we will be filling up all the information on TurboTax. So on TurboTax, you need to select the option of self-employment, income, and expenses. Then click on this option of Start, and on the next window, we will select Yes and wait for that to load. On the next step, type the work that we are doing. Simply type food delivery over here. Then select Continue. Now select whether it is a food delivery by driving. You can just select Yes and click on Continue. Then select whether it is the main source of income for you or it's a business for you. Then click on Continue, and you'll then need to tell whether you have been working with DoorDash for a while now or you are doing it just currently. So just select it accordingly and click on Continue. Then it'll ask whether you paid any employees in 2023. You can select according to your situation and click on Continue. Then it'll ask you whether any one of the available situations apply to you. Just select it accordingly and click on Continue. Keep selecting these options according to your situation, and you would be able to get to the review of the information that you just filled. Just take a look on it and go ahead with the option of Looks Good. Since it is a DoorDash and not Uber Eats, we will click on Skip This. And here it will ask you to enter the income of your food delivery work. And for this, you will be getting 1099 NEC form from your employer. So we will select this option over here and click on Continue. After that, you just need to enter DoorDash, Inc. in the first blank. So you need to file all this information from your form. You will also be able to find the payer's IN number on your form and just provide the amount that you have earned. So this way, you would be able to provide the information of your income on DoorDash. After that, just click on Continue, and you would be able to file the taxes using TurboTax. So that's basically how you can file DoorDash taxes on TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.